Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Cosplay Ahegao effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is what the effect looks like, and for you to create something like this, all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai/apps, create an account, or you can just go to higgsfield.ai, create an account and click on apps, scroll down to the cosplay section. You can also choose any of the other effects if you wish, but for this video we'll be using the Cosplay Ahegao effect. So click on Cosplay Ahegao. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to a page like this. Upload an image, then click generate. But then this, once you click on generate, you'll be creating an image, but for us we want to create a video, so switch to video, upload your image. You can see it says 15 credits while the image takes just a single credit. So once you're done, the video is typically between 2 to 5 seconds. So once you're done, click generate and you'll watch your video get created in this area. And it's safe to say that you can actually use your free account to create one or two effects. That's one great thing about Higgsfield. But if you want to enjoy it, I will advise you go for the premium packages. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.